What's up, guys? Back to my video here. Today we will be doing a quick vacuuming with the Bissell Powerforce Bagless. Um, yeah, if you're wondering why all these screwdrivers are here, I took this whole entire machine apart just to see how easy it was, and it's pretty easy. I'll say that. Um, it's a Bissell, so I expected it to be sort of easy to take apart, and it was cheesy. It was so easy, easy cheesy. So it was really easy to take apart. I took it screw by screw. It was just so easy to take apart. So next time I take it apart, it will be going in the bathtub. So anyways, but without further ado, let's go ahead and do a natural vacuuming on this Bissell Powerforce Bagless model 6579-3. So here we go. So yeah, that's the Bissell Powerforce Bagless. quick vacuuming with the Bissell Powerforce Bagless. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Like I said, these screwdrivers, I took this whole entire machine apart to see how easy it was, and it was pretty dang easy. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. Peace out.